Good morning, YouTube. So we came outside to check on the chickens this morning. It's feeding time.
I already let him out, so he's...
Here, pretty ladies. Pretty ladies. Get it, girls. So we're going over to the coop to find out if we got any eggs this morning. I see a few. How many we got here?
I got 4, I think.
Looks like we got 4 eggs this morning. Holy moly. Dang, girls.
You have to go around the other side and unhook it. We're building doors today, so this will be gone. Had to do this to make shift, so nothing could get up against the gate.
We ordered one of those chicken tractors. It should be here next week. We're gonna do away with all this chicken wire, pull the poles out, and we're just gonna take the 2 coops and we're gonna put the chicken tractor over the coops, and we're gonna get a padlock and put it on the door. But my dad's coming over later, and we're gonna make some doors out of plywood and put some hinges on it, so
I would just go in this corner.
So we don't have to fool with all this wiring.
No, don't take all that off. Just take it down here. So you don't...
Things will be a lot more easier. I'll be glad.
So you take off the other one. You should be able to stick your hand in. If not, you take off one more and then you'll be good. That's what I did yesterday.
Good grief. So she must have been laying on them because they're warm. Nothing like a warm farm fresh egg in the morning for breakfast. Last time we cooked some of our eggs, the yolks were like dark yellow, and they're pretty big eggs. They're pretty good, and they taste amazing, and you can definitely tell a big difference between store-bought eggs and farm fresh eggs. So we're gonna lay them right here. We're gonna go
Oh, that one has like white spots on it.
Oh yeah. So yesterday, I didn't get a chance to tell y'all, but our rooster Luke, he ended up getting out of the fencing, and we couldn't catch him for like half the day.
Well, I couldn't catch him. You were at work when he got out.
So we had to corner him and catch him. We finally caught him, but he was a pain in the butt to catch. That's why I do not like when they get out. See, our neighbors though, they got a bunch of chickens, and there's free range, and I don't really care to let ours free range, because last time we lost one rooster. He ran away, never did come back. And then one of our hens we found in the middle of the road dead, so we don't know for sure what happened to her, but we lost a hen and we lost one of our roosters, so we figured just get the chicken tractor, and then they can roam freely inside the chicken tractor. And it's pretty spacey. It's gonna be like, I forgot the dimensions, but it's like 6 foot tall
and 19 inches.
19 feet long, and I think it's 10 feet wide, so pretty big. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna check on these girls, see how they're doing.
Oh, it's really dark.
Come around here and
Gotta lift up the tarp for these guys.
open this one up, give them some fresh air this morning. Good morning, girls. Man, you guys are stinky. stinky girls. Woo! It reeks.
I need to
Smell
clean
these.
it out. I need to clean them out.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna have to put these ladies up if we're gonna let these guys out to clean out their chicken coop.
So, we got 4 farm fresh eggs this morning. Not bad. That's pretty good for a day. So, we're gonna go ahead and end this video, and I need y'all to like my video and subscribe to my channel. My channel's pretty new still, and I'm still trying to grow. God bless y'all. Have a great day.